What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm lowering my brother's truck. He's going with the 5.6 drop on his S10. So he bought spindles for it, 2-inch spindles, new shocks, and drop lift springs, 3 inches. So the truck was already dropped. He had a 3.3 drop on it that I did before, but truck guys, we want to go lower, so he's going suelo. So I got the truck taken apart. So let's go. Alright, we finished one side already. Lift spring, shock, and the block. Everything's put back together. Después del madrazo que me di, pero no pasa nada. Time to do the other side. On this side, we gotta do the same exact thing. Bolt everything. Take the lift spring out, shock, everything. So let's go. Alright guys, so it started raining on us, so we stopped for a little bit, but got the canopy out already. see. Put the wheels back on. 6-inch drop is done in the rear.
Ready?
Moment of truth. See how she gonna look from the rear with that 6-inch drop. Woo-hoo-wee. Alright guys, so my camera died, but we're gonna continue with this. Ahí está. 2-inch spindle going in already. Ya se nos hizo noche, but we're gonna get it done. So it's been a couple of days since I finished dropping my brother's truck. I couldn't finish recording, it kept on raining on us, and my camera's not waterproof, so I didn't want to mess it up. But the S10's finished, it's dropped, and then my brother pulls up and we got a surprise for y'all. Truck looks sick. So here it is, the drop S10. Alright guys, so there it is. 5.6 drop on the S10. And he finished it all with some Bart wheels, 15x7. Truck looks sick, it looks clean, looks badass. Also guys, I'll be working on my Colorado. I'm doing a C-notch on that one. And I might go lower, still don't know. We'll see how much of a hassle it is. See if I have to cut or not cut. We'll see, but it's definitely getting a C-notch, so it won't be hitting frame. Also, I'll be working on Black Widow. I got some parts for it, so stay tuned. I got more stuff coming. Also, I'll be showing you my new project that I have. I've been working on it, so you'll see that soon. Stay tuned. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you on the next one.